In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account currency in Klaviyo. If you're a business or just starting, managing your currency settings correctly can be vital in ensuring harmony between your transactions and the currencies you deal with across various regions. Whether you're selling products internationally or just looking to streamline your finances, adjusting your currency settings in Klaviyo is both simple and intuitive. To kick things off, get yourself logged into Klaviyo and land on the home page. This is where you'll begin your journey. It's the central hub where you have access to everything you need. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small icon. It's your profile icon. Click on it. This will pull up a menu with several crucial options for personalizing and managing your Klaviyo account. Next, look for the Settings option in the menu that appears. The settings are essentially the backbone of your Klaviyo account, where you can customize and fine-tune many aspects to suit your needs efficiently. Clicking this will take you to different configuration options. Find the Organization section. It's usually towards the middle of the page. Once in the Organization settings, you'll want to scroll down to the very bottom of this page. It might take a second to get there, but it's worth it, as here you will discover the Account Currency section. In the Account Currency section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of all the available currencies. Klaviyo supports numerous currencies so that you can choose the one that's most relevant to your business. From dollars to euros to pounds and beyond, select the currency that aligns with your operations. Being able to adjust the currency to your needs allows for clearer communication with clients and improves the precision of your financial reports. Once you've selected your preferred currency, make sure to click Save. This simple act solidifies your changes and applies them to your account. Skipping this step would mean that all your hard work would be for nothing, as your settings wouldn't be updated. It's always a good practice to confirm any changes you've made to settings to ensure they're deliberately applied. And there you have it. You've just learned how to seamlessly change the currency setting in Klaviyo, equipping you to better manage your international operations or domestic needs. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that your financial alignment is up to snuff. Keep this guide handy if you need to change currencies again or help someone else navigate through their settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on maximizing your Klaviyo experience.